Empty Blockhead, Tony Isbell. Lights the wheel up down there and the ride's over. Uncle Mick Gajewski, one of the 618 Motorsports Group out of Ashley, Illinois. Now we're out 15. Mick Gajewski, good run. I didn't think he was going to take that gear, but he slid her out there and got her to go. Just jumped through Mickey's hole, seen her balance. Tried that bigger gear. He slid that clutch a long time before he let her have it. I believe this tractor was number 2 in Rantoul last week in this class. Finger in with authority. Dirk Harms out of St. Joe and the old yard. Twister tail. Well, he was off the power before 100. Moved her over here and sponsorship here. Kind of surprised you worked Fisherman show. Well, unfortunately, a lot of damage to the front end of the tractor as far as the steering and spindles. The safety issue of it is, it's going to be very, very close. The point lead's very, very tight in this, and that may keep him from being the point winner tonight. So, all brands, and he's got hoodies over there for $30. So. They were a pretty hot item last couple of nights. We got down in the 50s here. lead. Oh, but the fire went out quick. Perkins does pretty good when they'll just let him have it. 5 cylinders and yeah. Congratulations, you made it through the season. Jeff Suits, hired gun on the Harms tractor out of St. Joe, Illinois. I already know how that's going to be. We're turning that one down. Pretty tough competitor here. The old tractor runs pretty good. Clay McMullen out of Minden, Illinois, over in Adams County. That's the pass he was looking for. Nice. Okay, flag goes green. Blake Helbig, and he's looking at 3:05 and 11, the distance to beat. The one-arm bandit. Take your debasement, and he's going to move that flag. A one-arm bandit. All right, flags go green. Robert Fuller. Winning ticket. 006054. Yes, it's there in the middle of that file. All right, the winner is from Kempton, Illinois, so thank you very much. Flag goes green. Thanks, Blake Helbig still the man to beat at 3:14 and 2. Chaos D21. This guy pulled in the 14,000 farm stock when I did. Very tough competitor, very capable wrench.